Hey, what's up, family, friends? Hope y'all can hear me. Watch my last video. Nobody couldn't barely hear me. I couldn't even hear myself, you know. So I'm here to talk about this saltwater intrusion. Okay. Yeah. So what I've been watching the news and stuff like that. People, John Bell Edwards, and some folks is doing whatever it takes to keep us with fresh water. You know, but you people stocking up on bottled water and stuff like that, I don't blame y'all, you know. Y'all do all that and the water's still fresh. By then, look on the bright side. At least you people have extra water to give. Okay? Lots of water to drink if this water stay fresh, you know. So that don't mean y'all got bottled water for nothing. That don't mean that y'all got bottled water for nothing. Okay? Just like during the pandemic, y'all stocking up on toilet paper. Look on the bright side on that. At least y'all have extra toilet paper, I should say. Well, out of my New Orleans accent, you know. So, you know what? I'm starting to think that John Bell Edwards is right. You know, don't panic. You know what I'm saying? But John Bell was telling y'all don't don't constantly stock up on bottled water and stuff like that. You know, but you know what? Me, in my opinion, y'all look on the bright side, okay? At least y'all got extra bottles of water, extra water, gallons and all that. At least y'all have extra water, okay? So that'll last y'all for months, okay? Even if that water stay fresh, you know. If God willing for that water to stay fresh for us, you know, look on the bright side, you know. That don't mean that y'all got that that bottled water for nothing, you know. Long as y'all drink the water, you know. Okay. So let me tell y'all something. Y'all didn't get it for nothing. Okay. Trust and believe that. All y'all gotta do is look on the bright side. That's all I'm telling y'all. Look on the bright side. Okay. That's all I'm saying. You know. So the city's officials and the officials and whoever they are, like the governor and all that, John Bell Woods and the parish presidents and all that, telling y'all not to panic and stuff like that. I was the same thing because honestly, I wasn't I wasn't agreeing with the governor at first, you know. But I will say don't panic, y'all. Okay, so all y'all gotta do is pray. Okay, that's all I'm saying, you know. Okay, but if y'all got all that extra water and stuff like that, bottles of water, stocking up on 5, 6, or 7 cases or something like that, look on the bright side. At least y'all got extra. Okay, that's all I'm saying. At least y'all have extra. So, so constantly, I'm gonna say honestly, I don't blame y'all for stocking up on water. Okay, I don't blame either one of y'all. Okay, if y'all constantly buying water and stuff like that, I don't blame y'all. Even if the water stay fresh, you understand? I'm talking to everybody that's that's here in Louisiana, down here and stuff like that, New Orleans, Plaquemines Parish, Jefferson Parish, people everywhere stocking up on water, going to Bromont, Walmart, uh, Winn Dixie, and all that. You know, okay. I don't, I don't blame y'all for doing that, honestly, y'all. Okay, so with this saltwater intrusion and stuff like that, I'm taking it serious myself. You know, because I don't, I have no money in my pocket right now, you know. So I may have money Friday, okay, so I can buy some groceries and buy some water and Gatorade and stuff like that, you know. Okay, so all y'all gotta do is pray, y'all. That's all I'm asking y'all to do. I'm asking y'all to pray, okay. hmm So all right, sorry about that, y'all. Okay, so as I was saying, y'all, all we gotta do is pray, you know. So do not panic, y'all. Okay, we gonna be all right. We gon' we gonna get through this. You understand? All y'all gotta do is pray. Okay, pray for the people, especially the a person in Bell Chase, whoever I'm talking about, with that need fresh water for his business. You know, I've been praying for him too. Okay, yes I have. You know, I've been praying for him. You know, cause I don't want him to go out of business. Honestly, you know. Okay, so I must say, I mean, I almost panicked earlier this morning. You know, when I kept hearing this news about this saltwater intrusion. You know, so but all I'm saying, y'all, no matter what happens, take this serious, okay? Because it could be impacted, but at least these people around here, out here and everywhere, is doing whatever it takes to keep us with fresh water. You know, that's what they're trying to do be, before that hit us. You know, think positive, pray positive. You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm saying, y'all. Pray positive, think positive. You know, God got us. Okay, that's all I'm telling y'all. You know, so my word is God got our back. You know, God gonna make a way out of no way, and I promise y'all this. You know, okay, and you know I'm still praying for Crazy Bone Thugs and Harmony. You know, so I'm pretty sure he gonna recover. You know, all right. So all we gotta do is think positive, okay? God gonna make a way out of no way, and I promise y'all this, you know, okay? So speak to y'all pastors, preachers, you name them, okay? All right. I'm watching the game. That's the, the the baseball game, you know, on PlayStation. Okay, that's what I'm looking at. Okay, so that's all I'm saying, y'all. Stay positive, stay prayed up. That's all I'm asking y'all. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all. Cause like I tell y'all shouldn't have nothing to panic about. Okay. Cause like I'm telling y'all as a friend, a God fearing person, and stuff like that. You know. So that's all I'm saying, y'all. We gotta stay prayed up, and I guarantee you it'll work out. Okay. That's all I'm gonna say. You know. Wow, look at this. Oh, we missed it, but y'all will see it when the game upload. All right, so thank y'all for watching. Okay, God bless y'all. All right, see y'all tomorrow.